Today, I'd like to talk about cancer stem cell. And before we go into that topic, let me give you a general picture on what a tumor formation is like. Unlike everybody think that tumor as a homogenized structure with identical stem cancer cell working exactly in the same way. Indeed, they are like our society. Cancer cell is like human being. They have different emotion and they adopt different roles. And some can attract the blood vessels to the tumor to supply nutrient to support the tumor growth. And some form the capsule around the tumor to provide protection to the cancer cell beneath. And some can invade into other tissue and perhaps other organs and to cause the tumor formation and ultimately cause the death in the patients. And you may ask, who is the criminals that give rise to the army of the cancer cell? And it is indeed the cancer stem cell. Knowing from its name, cancer stem cell has the property like the stem cell. So they can undergo long period of cell renewal, and they can divide indefinitely, and they can differentiate into a diverse cell line having myriad of functions. And so they mainly contribute to the cancer malignancy, as well as the therapy resistant. So these kind of the cancer stem cell, and so they're immortal. And surprisingly, they're under the control of the Darwinian natural selection. So under rounds of the chemotherapy and radiotherapy, only the fittest and the toughest will survive. And these provide difficulties in the cancer treatment. And perhaps it is the reason why there is the cancer recurrence. So how can we kill these kind of the sinister and immortal criminals? And indeed, they're very fragile. And you can kill them easily, perhaps by drinking bleach, sulfuric acid, or even cyanide. But you will kill yourself as well. But the major point is, how can you cure the cancer without killing yourself? And recently, the brilliant scientist has developed some method, and they can recognize the specific codings on these of the cancer stem cell because they express some sort of the stem cell properties on the surface. And this kind of the drug will stop the communication among these kind of the cancer stem cell. And as I said before, these cancer stem cells are pretty emotional. And so after they know their friends has disappeared and they can't communicate with each other, they will commit suicide. However, the story doesn't end here. Although they have gradually translated into the applied medicine, but the basic science research is of paramount importance in providing us the molecular basis of the different disease. That's why the story will continue. Thank you very much.